Hey friends, this is Allie from Allie's Crafts, and I'm going to quickly unpack my newest kit in the shop. I'm calling this Joyful Youth, and it's a super fun kit so that you can make a ring prayer book or Bible study book or whatever you want to call it, but with like one ring at the top. And I'll insert a picture right here of what the final product looks like. But I have only about 10 of these kits in the shop. Super exclusive, and I put this together just for you. There are matching digitals, and when you buy this kit, you do get the digital bundle for free as well. But I wanted to kind of walk you through what's in it when you actually pick up a kit. So it comes in a cute little bag, and I did use the Addison collection from Bella Boulevard. So I'm going to take all of this out. The Addison collection, I don't think, not a lot of things are still in print or available. So kind of last bits of what I had. But you can get it digitally. And so I love the Bella Boulevard digital supplies. And so you could, even if you don't grab one of these kits, you can make what I'm going to make with digitals as well. So it comes with the Addison, these are like cardstock stickers and alphas. So all these together, there's really great tabs, all those different things. Some side washi. So that's one of the things that comes in the kit. And then there's these, it's a 12 by 12 papers. This one has several different 3x4, 4x6 cards. So I'm going to cut these out and use them as like interesting filler and like title cards basically for some of my flip books and some of my prayers. So I just thought, since it's called Joyful Youth, I thought this was a great collection to include with it. I'm kind of envisioning it being for some teenage girls in my life. So some of the girls that I work with when I volunteer in the nursery. So really specific prayers for them, some of the teenage girls in my life. So I thought that was really cute. On the back is this really cool gingham. So even if you don't use everything here, you can kind of mix and match with the really cool blue and black gingham. And then there's another 12 by 12 paper. This is also from the Addison collection. It's called Free Spirit. And then on the back is this really fun pink kind of herringbone, hand-drawn herringbone. But this is definitely what I'm going to be using for my cover, and then some additional filler pages in the book as well. Then there's also a ton of printed pages, including exclusive tip-ins. Now the only way you can get these tip-ins is if you buy this kit, and these come printed, as well as the digital bundle kit. So the digital bundle has I think it's 8 products, possibly more. I think it's probably more, including these exclusive tip-ins. So these tip-ins won't be available in the store individually, but they will be available in the digital bundle, which you get for free when you buy the kit. So all of these are printed on 110-pound cardstock, and I just tried to do everything I could to make it so you had everything you needed for making your ring prayer book, except for scissors and a corner rounder or a hole punch. So everything you need except for the tools. So exclusive tip-ins about prayer, what's on your heart, celebrate, pray until something happens. Super cute ones. And then these are just little washi bits. So again, 110-pound cardstock. And then these are Pocket Library of God cards. They do come in a couple different colors. Labels, of course. And the labels do come in 2 different sizes, a smaller and a larger. Library of God full cards, because again, I love mixing sizes of cards and prayer requests and things like that. I love adding that visual interest in my books. These are pocket prayer cards. More pocket prayers. Longer prayer request cards. And they come in really fun matching colors. So that is everything you get paper-wise. Then we're going to move on to cute little baggie. It comes with this new washi that matches beautifully. You can kind of see a little sample of it right here. The pink and teal, it just kind of gradiates, and the crosses, I just love it. And then I'm not going to open this bag because it's nice and organized, but you do get the washi. And then in the bag is a binder ring to hold it all together. And then there's also a mix of different, bring them in here, different die cuts from the Addison collection. Now, there's a mix. You won't get everything here, but you will get a nice mix of larger, smaller, some shoes, different ones. I just did a custom mix for everybody. So everyone has a different combination, but you can kind of get an idea of what these are all going to look like. So that, I plan on using these like on top of my prayer request cards, like even just like a little note. How cute would that be, like right there, like a text from God or something really cute like that. So that is everything that is included in the kit, and I will be back very soon to show you what I did with all of the elements of the kit and show you kind of how I put it together. So thanks so much. Be sure to check out the links in the description box below if you would like to pick up one of your own. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.